Hey, this is Pat Murphy Racy. It's Friday night under the lights, and I'm actually in Chicago at Nazareth Academy. They're about to play my old alma mater, Marist High School, from the south side of Chicago. And I'm here because I flew up here this morning because I'm going to shoot a Wisconsin game tomorrow. And then I got to head to New York City to be at B&H all day on Sunday for an event. And then I'll fly back to Chicago and then fly home again. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, one of the things I've been thinking about a lot lately is how there's so much competition for shooting stills, and there's very little competition for shooting video. And so the last couple of games I've been shooting video, and I really like the results, mostly because I don't give up a lot, because I can just pull still frame grabs of the 4K video, and I end up with about a 7 megabyte file, which is fine. And remember, that's 10-bit color space, not 8-bit like everybody's used to. So the files are actually quite good. And but I'll do some examples of that. I'm going to shoot this game with video tonight, and then at the end of the video part of the highlights, and I love slow-mo, I'm going to actually post some of the images that I pulled from that same video. So you'll be able to kind of see what I'm up to. And I want to say my fellow Sony artisan, Paul Giroux, has been doing this for quite a while, and he's just getting some great results. And so I'm going to try a little bit of the same stuff and see how it goes. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll get right into it.